Hey there, Trisha Barber here, and I am guest designing again this month with Club La La Land Crafts. I'm about to reveal their 2020 February club kit. Each kit comes in this gold envelope, and with the kit you get 2 sets of stamps as well as a set of coordinating dies. So this month's theme is around bees. We'll talk about the stamp sets first. The first stamp set is Be Happy Marcy, and she's super cute. I have her actually stamped out right here so you can see. She comes with 2 sentiments, I love you, honey, and be happy. You'll notice that they've used red rubber, which is a high quality red rubber. It already comes foam mounted, so it's ready to stamp as soon as you get your kit. The second stamp set is called Just Because, and it has cute little bees, 3 bees, as well as 5 different sentiments. We've got Just Because, Sweet as Can Be, You're the Bee's Knees, Hey Queen Bee, and You've Been One Busy Bee. It's super cute. I had a lot of fun coloring these bees. Just so you can see a little bit more what they look like. Here's the queen bee with her crown. Here's just a little bee that's got some wings flying around. Oops. I must have put the other one down by mistake. There's a bee with a bucket. Here we go. There's the bee with the bucket. Very cute stamp set. Along with this month's stamps, there are coordinating dies. The first set of dies is this double stitched hexagon, and you get 4 dies right here. It does double stitching, and it also cuts on the outside as well as on the inside. You get this cute beehive that puts a lot of detail in the beehive when it's cut. I'll show you that in just a second, as well as this honey jar with the lid. There we go. So it's this cute little honey jar. So I'll show you a couple of the projects that I made for this reveal. The first one is this stamp, this card, using the 3 bees. I actually took the hexagons and die cut them out multiple times, layered them up on my card to mimic like a honeycomb, then colored my images with Copic markers, and you'll be able to see the markers that I used on my blog post. And then I double cut some of the hexagons. I cut another smaller hexagon out of some pattern paper to coordinate with the card. Added some rhinestones, a little bit of bling, and it was super cute. I just absolutely love these bees. They're so adorable. My next project is Marcy. This is, again, the Be Happy Marcy. I've colored her, and instead of coloring her in the yellow and black, I did color her once in yellow and black, and I'll be using her on a different card. But I decided to color her in a little different colors, just to kind of play around with it. I used some of the new paper packs that came out in the most recent February release for this card. Here's again that honeycomb. I used the smallest die in the honeycomb to cut out these little images right here, and I used the larger die to cut out this bigger die cut that's behind her. She's super cute. Now a little bit about the La La Land Crafts Club Kit. This kit is only available once a month. You can subscribe at Club La La Land Crafts. The full value of this kit, if you were to buy the stamps and dies individually, is $80.99, but you can order it through the club for $39.99. Now you have the option, if you just want the stamp sets, you can order just the stamps. That would be $19.99, and you can order, if you just want the dies, you can order those for $29.99. But you can see, you know, it's a really good value combining it all together. You're saving a lot of money by purchasing the entire kit and getting an opportunity to take advantage of the discounted price. Now, along with the kit, you'll get some PDF files that will come from the design team. every design team member will send you a PDF document with instructions of how they made their project. And I actually sent instructions for how I made this project here. I really enjoyed making this. I loved the honeycomb and loved the stitching elements that it adds. Just the design element that it adds with all the stitching. It was super cute. I had a lot of fun making it. You also get this PDF, this card that comes with your kit that gives you all the information about the contents that are included in the kit. You get an example of the images that have been drawn. Each of the design team members are featuring their projects that they've used. They share their coloring and the Copics or coloring medium that they've used on their blog post. So I would encourage you to go check out all the design team members' posts. You can also check out the club fan group on Facebook. It is called, let me get that name. It is called the Club Fan Group, the Facebook Club Fan Group. And then La La Land Crafts also has a fan group if you want to look for more inspiration from La La Land Crafts. You have until February the 20th to order the 2020 February kit. These images won't be available for a while in the store. I think it's 6 months to a year before they'll release these images into the store. So you get an opportunity to buy the kit now at a discounted price. Again, the full kit to get the 2 stamp sets as well as the die set is $39.99. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. But thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope that you check out my blog and look at the design team members post for this February 15th release of the 2020 February Club Kit. Thank you and have a great day.